Plant FAQs. Caladium Cranberry Star. Caladium Cranberry Star, your guide to the vibrant starlet. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the dazzling Caladium Cranberry Star. This beauty boasts stunning foliage and adds a touch of the tropics to any space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious newbie, I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Caladium Cranberry Star. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What is a Caladium Cranberry Star? The Caladium Cranberry Star is a captivating tuberous perennial known for its mesmerizing leaves. Think heart-shaped canvases splashed with vibrant colors. The base color is a bright white, edged with a thin green line. But the real showstopper is the sprinkling of red speckles that dance across the surface, resembling tiny cranberries, hence the name. This unique combination makes it a standout amongst its Caladium cousins. Where can I grow a Caladium Cranberry Star? The Caladium Cranberry Star thrives in warm, humid environments. Here are your options. Thriving indoors, this beauty flourishes as a houseplant. Place it in a brightly lit spot with indirect sunlight. South-facing windows can be too harsh, so opt for east or north-facing ones. Adding flair outdoors. In warmer climates, if you live in a region with consistently warm temperatures, the Caladium Cranberry Star can grace your outdoor space. Choose a shady location with well-drained soil. Remember, it's not frost-tolerant, so bring it indoors before the first chill hits. How do I care for my Caladium Cranberry Star? Here's the good news. Caring for the Caladium Cranberry Star is relatively simple. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. In winter, reduce watering as the plant goes dormant. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, light, and slightly acidic potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can work wonders. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Caladium Cranberry Star a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted according to the instructions. Temperature and humidity. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, and moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping your Caladium Cranberry Star with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Common questions about the Caladium Cranberry Star. Light. As mentioned earlier, indirect sunlight is key. Direct sun can scorch the leaves. Propagation. You can propagate your Caladium Cranberry Star by dividing the tubers in spring. Toxicity. Be aware that Caladium Cranberry Star, like all caladiums, is toxic to humans and pets if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious children and furry friends. Dormancy. In colder months, the leaves of your Caladium Cranberry Star may die back. Don't panic. It's entering its natural dormancy period. Reduce watering and store the tuber in a cool, dark place until spring, when you can resume watering and see new growth emerge. Caladium Cranberry Star versus Strawberry Star. When I first encountered caladiums, Cranberry Star caught my eye with its deep, burgundy leaves splashed with vibrant pink veins, reminiscent of a painter's delicate strokes. It adds a rich, sophisticated touch to my indoor garden, especially in contrast to other foliage. On the other hand, Caladium Strawberry Star stole my heart with its whimsical, almost playful pattern of pink speckles and creamy white leaves. It's like having a living canvas that brightens up any corner with its unique charm. Both are stunning, but they bring different moods to my plant collection. Cranberry Star with its bold elegance and Strawberry Star with its cheerful personality. Final thoughts. The Caladium Cranberry Star is a captivating addition to any plant collection. With its stunning foliage and relatively easy care requirements, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and curious beginners. So, bring a touch of the tropics indoors or add a splash of color to your shady outdoor space with this vibrant starlet. If you have any further questions about the Caladium Cranberry Star, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy planting!